Okay, I'm gonna try doing a cold start here. This is 903 I fixed. It's got a Murphy in it. I'm gonna see if I can do this all in one stroke. That's the pump I rebuilt. Yeah, there's a Murphy switch up under the dash here that shuts the fuel off of any of the gauges. If any of you want to know what I'm talking about, it's these gauges right here. Drop oil pressure, you can set that. If the temperature climbs too much, either one of them, it'll shut it off. So, but that's a cold start on it. As much of a cold start as we can get anyways. It's hot today. Back up in this old girl. Very responsive on the throttle, I mean, because right now, so it's already cleared up. Clearing up. Windshield's so dirty you can't see it. This is gonna be run over and redone, but yeah, that's like I said, it's right there. This thing runs so nice. So, well, that's the follow up on the 903 and what it went in. And I think he does this fire breaker on his place with it, and they use it on their road construction for disking, but it's a done deal. I just put the batteries back in, and these 14.5 volts, so they're fully charged. They survived. We revived them, so, but yeah. Dang, irrigation beetles are bad here. Yeah, it's right there, so got excellent oil pressure. It won't change much. That is Johnny on the spot, so well, you'll take care. God bless. Keep the greasy side down, and remember, love one another. Take care all.